Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Rhino Gear screen protector for the Apple Watch Series 4. In this case, we're going to be using a 44mm version as a sample. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking us to make this instructional video, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the installation. Okay, so as you guys know, this is a wet install screen protector. So the first thing we need to do is to prepare the application solution, which is basically just dish soap and water. So if you have a bowl or a cup just like this one, just go ahead and fill it up with water. And we're just gonna put about half a teaspoon of soap, just like that. Put it in there and stir. And just like that. One thing I wanted to mention is that if you have a spray bottle, just like this one, you can put the solution in there too. But basically it works either way. I'm going to show you guys how to install it, just using the liquid in this cup or using a spray bottle. Okay, so before doing any installation, you should go ahead and turn off that Apple Watch. And go ahead and clean the screen. Try to get fingerprints or dust or anything like that out of the way. Okay, so now that you have the screen clean, just go ahead and take out one of these screen protectors. And it peels off just like a sticker, just like that. And if you're using a cup, you can just go ahead and dip the film in there, just like that. Or if you have a spray bottle, you can just go ahead and spray it, just like that. Just make sure you shake off any excess solution. I'm just going to go ahead and dip it again, just like that. Alright, so go ahead and shake off any excess, and we're going to go ahead and place it on the Apple Watch screen. Alright, so what you want to do with the film wet and your fingers a little wet with the solution as well, just go ahead and lay the screen protector flat, just like that. Now at this point, you can still move the film around, just like, if you can see that over there. And you're going to want to just move it to the center as much as possible. Now this particular version of the screen protector is our easy install, no lifting sides version. So what does that mean? Basically, it's cut short. If you can see, it doesn't go over the edges. And why is that? That's because from our Series 3 version, some people were having a difficult time getting the edges to stick. So we made this version to not cover the edges, but it also gives you enough room for cases or other accessories like that. So if you do prefer the ones that cover the edges, we do have the advanced install version as well. So you can just go ahead and click on the link below. You should be able to see that. In any case, just set it down like this and kind of just move it to the center. And that's about it. Just be patient and let it dry for, about an hour or two. So we'll go back to it in a bit and I'll show you guys the finished results. I also wanted to mention that the film itself is designed to be less sticky the more it is wet with the application solution. So if you're having a hard time getting it to stick, you just basically have to wait a few minutes for it to dry a bit, and the drier the film gets, the more it'll stick to the screen. Okay, so anyways, this one's still in the drying process, so I'm just gonna leave it here for now, and we'll go back to it in a bit. Okay, now it's been a few minutes, and so you can see the film is starting to settle into the Apple Watch screen already. Now, because of the Apple Watch's curved edge design, you can see the film is still not fully flat onto the surface. So in this case, all we need to do is just start pressing it down, just like that. And if you're still having trouble having the side stick, all you need to do is just wait a few more minutes for the film to dry even more. In this case, it's already good. It's already starting to stick down, so and just kind of hold it in place like that. Get the corners. There you go. Now we're just gonna let it sit there again and just let it fully dry. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes since the last step that I showed you guys. As you can see, the film is pretty much settled in there. It doesn't slide around anymore. The sides and corners are already stuck on there. The only thing is, if you can see, there's this micro bubbles or little haziness that's still present. This is normal. It's gonna go away the longer the film dries up and cures into the screen. So it usually takes a few hours, but I would say give it like a day or two, and it's gonna be completely gone. And I'm gonna show you guys that later too. Hey guys, so it's been about 8 hours since the last step. So I just want to show you guys how it looks like after the film has settled. I'm going to show you guys the sides. Okay, so it's only been about 8 hours, and if there are still any micro bubbles left, such as this one, this tiny little one right there in the corner, that's going to go away in a couple hours or so. I'm going to go ahead and set it down here and take some close-up pictures later and post it at the end of this video. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and thank you.